Good morning everyone and welcome to my channel. Today is just an amazing day. It's 24th of April and today is the first day of our official lockdown down. That's how we're gonna call it. So from today we can go outside from 6 in the morning until 10 p.m. and I'm going to get ready, do my mask and clean a little bit apartment until 7 p.m. I guess, to do my nails and hit the road to see my friend. Let's start with the day. I'm so happy. Okay, anyway, I will prepare myself. I just took a shower, film myself. Just let's start the day, right? I already was mentioning this product in my previous video. Refresh moisturizing cleanser. So it has this brush right here. Let's do this. I'm so excited to go out and to, you know, just drive my car. As I always say, that's what makes me happy, and I'm happy because of that, to be honest. Let's start. Oh my god, my nail. I will fix it as well. I always am looking weird while I'm at home and trying to vlog something, but anyway, that's the reality of being a girl and being at home. I will keep the mask for 20 minutes. I want to show you the mask. So this is the Dad C mask from Revenge. It's not sponsored. I just really love it. I asked my friend to bring me this mask from Jordan, and there are a lot of different companies that are producing masks and creams from natural Dad C and all that stuff, but you never know what is the best exact product and what company does the best. I did some research about this company. It's not a cheap product at all. It's kind of expensive, I can tell you, but what it does is just incredible thing. But this mask doesn't dry in that kind of way. You will see later on how it dries, but still it's like elastic. Yeah, I'll see in a bit. I'm talking a lot. So one more thing that I wanted to share with you, it's the Schwarzkopf Gliss Core conditioner, we can say total repair spray. It's one of the best things that I tried, and you cannot find exactly this one in UAE. So whenever my mom is sending to me something, or she is coming to me or I'm coming to her, I'm grabbing like 5 to 10 bottles and I'm taking with me. It's just the best thing on earth. I don't know why UAE doesn't have it. And one day I was talking to a friend of mine and she's like, I'm looking for one Gliss Core and all this stuff, and we've got into this conversation and I'm asking like, can you explain or can you show me exactly the picture, what are you looking for? And then she showed me exactly this product that in UAE she also cannot find it, and she also is going back to her country to buy it to bring in here. So you know, if it's not only me and I'm not the only one who is looking for such stuff, it means it does amazing things. So let me just spray some perfume on myself to smell like candy. I did myself coffee and now I will start with the nails. So as you can see, the mask is already dry, but you cannot exactly feel that it's completely dry. Like you can still move. It's not bothering your skin. So I did my hair, I did my makeup, my mask is right here and I'm ready to go. My baby is back. Done my nails. All is done as I was planning, and I am so happy that sometimes when I plan something and it actually happens and I feel satisfied, but it's only sometimes. So now I will hit the road, and I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.